What's up guys? Welcome back to the Cherry Garage. Today we're working on E30. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on it. This is a 325i, so it's got the M20 B25. It's the straight 6 2.5 liter. You're going to need your oil filter. If you go to the auto parts store and tell them your car, they'll tell you which one it is. I got the Bosch.
3421.
Yeah, it's right there. I got some 5W40 full synthetic Euro. What does it say? Das Auto. Look, you see this flag right here matches this one right here. So that's how you know. You're also gonna need a 17 millimeter and a drain box, pan, whatever you got to collect the oil that you drain out. You have a towel around and your oil filter removal tool. Kind of looks like, I don't even know. Whoosh. Get your car on jack stands, or if you're lucky enough to have a lift it up. Your drain plug is gonna be right here. 17 millimeters. So you just, boop. I'm gonna get my drain pan ready.
Wait, show the oil filter real quick.
Oh yeah, and the oil filter is right up there. Well, bust that loose and you should be able to do it with your hand. Yeah, so you let it all drain out. So yeah, next step is gonna be getting off the oil filter. Well, we already cracked mine loose, and actually I need to wait.
Okay.
Alright guys, so once it's done draining, you can go ahead and put your bolt back in. And then you can put your filter in. And then you can refill your oil. But we'll show you all that. So you get your drain plug and you replace it. After you get it in there, you torque it down to the manufactured spec. So that's finger tight now. Then I'll come back and get the proper torque spec here in just a second. So I need it this way?
Yeah. You want that that piece to be gripping onto the rubber when you're turning it. Look at that.
Boom. Now that it's loose, you can probably do it with just your hand.
Yeah. Now we're gonna watch Jacob get covered in oil. One way. One way. There you go.
I can't see.
Can't see, so I tightened it.
You weren't shining the light right, so I accidentally tightened it.
Oh, he's gonna hate this.
But like, there's gotta be a way. I wish I had backed up just a little bit more. You're gonna splash on me.
Yeah.
Let me get safety glasses in.
Alright. Well, just take it off.
Yeah. Alright guys, before you put the filter on, go ahead and put a little bit of oil in here to prime it, and then get some oil around your gasket so that it can nicely mate. Whew. Now are you supposed to use hand tight, you said?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna wipe everything down just so if I have some oil leaks, I can better pinpoint where they come from. If I still am able to see after I'm blinded. Alright guys, so now you fill in nice, clean, fresh oil. The oil cap's gonna be right here. Hip, hip. Oh, that's actually pretty tough.
These are pinky fingers. In combination, of course.
You know, just saying, hey, please come loose. That should usually do it. If you ask politely, it usually comes right off.
I'll say thank you.
Thank you.
How much oil do you put in?
I'm pretty sure you put in 4.5 quarts.
Including with the filter?
It's a good question. I'm gonna check my dipstick.
Alright.
Let you guys know. So yeah, just pour it in the top right here.
Wait, in that hole?
Yep. Oh, you know, that's my coolant.
It looks like corn in this video.
Yeah, the way that light's on it. And this oil might be JK certified changed. If you're unsure how to check your oil, watch our how-to video. But hey, let us know if you need to know how to do it. We'll go over it. As you can see, I actually overfilled it.
That's fine.
But that's okay.
It didn't go through the filter yet.
Yeah, so that's probably perfect.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, that's how to change the oil in your BMW E30. I hope this helped you. It's a pretty simple job, and I think it's well within reason to do yourself. And then you know for sure that it was done right. So, thanks for watching the video. We got a bunch of more E30 content, and we also have soon to come MR2 content, IS300 content, E46 M3 content, models A, T, and a Datsun, and even a Jaguar. And there's more than that too, if you want to check out our page.